Bracken Bat Cave in San Antonio, Texas, is 110 million years old. More than 15 million bats fly out every night. It takes about 3 or 4 hours for the Bat Cave to empty. It's like a swirling Batnado. Falcons swoop down and grab a bat for dinner. And all of these are moms and babies. This is a nursery. The moms come here with their baby, and then they have to survive until they can make it 1,100 miles back to Mexico. This is definitely the coolest thing that I've seen in a while. Oh well. Have you ever seen anything like this?